Hello, Tim. Thank you for this opportunity. I would like to share with you why I chose Porter's Five Forces as the most interesting concept in this strategic planning course. Porter's Five Forces can be most helpful to a strategic planner when an organization is considering entering a new market or industry. Now, this is because Porter's Five Forces analysis can be performed before a single investment is done. It provides a framework for understanding the competitive dynamics within an industry that is crucial to create a robust business case for entering a new market and position the organization for success. First, we identify the five forces, which is looking at the bargaining power of the supplier, buyer, the threat of new entrants, substitute, and competitive rivalry. Then we evaluate and identify suppliers that will be essential to, for example, if I want to start a halal business, it will be the suppliers essential to the halal restaurant that can supply the meat and the vegetable. Evaluate their bargaining power, such as their ability to increase prices or reduce quality. Next, I evaluate the bargaining power of buyers. I will identify the target market for the new halal restaurant, such as Muslim consumers or those interested in halal cuisine, and look at the ability to demand lower prices or switch to a new competitor. The third one, I will look at the threat of new entrants, is to identify the potential competitors who could enter the halal restaurant business in the market. We look at to evaluate the barriers to entry, such as the high startup costs or difficulty in obtaining halal certification. The fourth, we will look at the threat of substitutes. We identify the potential substitute for new halal restaurants, such as non-halal restaurants or other halal restaurants in the area. We will evaluate their attractiveness to customers and their ability to compete with a new halal restaurant. Finally, we look at competitive rivalry. We will identify the existing halal restaurant in the area and evaluate their strengths and weaknesses, their pricing strategy, marketing effort, and customer loyalty. Once all these five forces has been analyzed, we can make a strategic decision based on this analysis. So, Porter's five forces will allow us to see, and it can reveal a low degree of competitive rivalry and high degree of buyer bargaining power. Then the restaurant may need to focus on quality or customer service to differentiate itself and attract loyal customers. Alternatively, if the analysis reveals a high degree of supplier bargaining power, the restaurant may need to find alternative suppliers or negotiate better prices to ensure profitability. So, as a conclusion, by conducting a thorough analysis of these five forces, the strategic planner can determine whether the industry is sufficiently attractive and profitable, in addition to strategies to position the organization within the industry. Some may include adaptation to designing innovative product or establishing partnership. So thank you for your time.